This is a training module on the Bridgelux LS Arrays. Welcome to the training module on the Bridgelux LS Array. This training module introduces the features and a few important parameters and characteristics of this LED array. The Bridgelux LS Array series is a new set of miniaturized LED arrays that enable both diffuse and directional light sources for applications including landscape lighting, home luminaires, white goods, and retrofit light bulbs. Delivering between 240 and 360 hot lumens under normal operating conditions. These products are ideal replacement options for low wattage halogen, incandescent, and CFL lamps. These integrated plug-and-play solutions reduce system complexity, enable miniaturized, cost-effective lamp and luminaire designs. Typical applications include replacement lamps, task lighting, under cabinet, accent, pendant, porch, pathway, landscape, portable and consumer, luminaires, and white goods. Bridgelux maintains a plus or minus 7% tolerance to flux measurements. Bridgelux projects that its family of LED array products will deliver, on average, greater than 70% lumen maintenance after 50,000 hours of operation at the rated forward test current. This performance assumes constant current operation, with case temperatures maintained at or below 70 degrees C. The product is binned for color in XY coordinates. Bridgelux conducts lumen maintenance tests per LM80. Parts are tested in pulsed conditions. The TJ is 25 degrees C. Pulse width is 10 milliseconds at rated test current. Light emitting diodes are not designed to be driven in the reverse voltage direction. For low current operation, pulse width modulation is recommended. Bridgelux recommends 2 tapped holes for mounting screws with 17.87 plus and minus 0.1 millimeter center-to-center spacing slots using M2.5 or number 4 screws. Solder pads are labeled plus and minus to denote positive and negative respectively. The optical center of the LED array is defined by the mechanical center of the array. The Bridgelux LED arrays are tested and binned against the specifications shown. They have options to drive the LED arrays at alternate drive currents dependent on the specific application. The typical performance at any drive current can be derived from the flux versus current characteristics shown here in this page. The typical performance at common drive currents is also summarized here. This page shows pictorially the radiation pattern of the LS array. It includes polar radiation pattern and spatial radiation pattern. The table here lists the standard photometric luminous flux bins for Bridgelux LED arrays, tested and binned at the indicated test current. Typical manufacturing processes of semiconductor products result in a variation in performance surrounding the typical data sheet values. In order to minimize variation in the end product or application, Bridgelux bins its LED arrays for luminous flux and color. Bridgelux LED arrays are labeled using a 4-digit alphanumeric bin code. This bin code is printed on the back of each LED array.